Changing the language in the OneDrive app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the OneDrive app. Launch the OneDrive app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or 3 dots, and tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Find language options. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the option labeled language or language and region. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Select your preferred language. A list of available languages will appear. Browse through the list and select the language you wish to use in the app. Step 5. Save changes and restart. After selecting your preferred language, save the changes. You may need to restart the app for the new language settings to take effect. Now you can enjoy using the OneDrive app in your chosen language. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the help section within the app.